Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm taking a walk with my dog. So I put a little something in my last video that I kind of want to discuss a little further. So sometimes I do post on weekdays, but that was only because of summer. I was posting in the summer. But I think from now on, even on the summer and when there's no school, I'm still going to be posting on Saturday or Sunday because it leaves me enough time to do editing and stuff during the week. So yeah, and also so now that I talked about that, I want to talk about something that I accidentally put in, which was, I think that was all my pets. I said I think because I have so many pets I can't really think. But now that I've been thinking about it more, I left out my bird and a couple other pets that I don't want to share right now. Come on, Noah. Because they're like babies. So, yeah. Come on, Noah. You want to maybe go on the grass? Here, go on the grass. Yay, Grassingham. Come on, Noah, on the grass. On the grass, Noah. Oh my gosh. Come on, Noah. Come on, Noah. Okay. So I think I'm going to end this video here because I don't want to bore you or anything. But I just want to tell you a goal that I have, because there's this thing on YouTube where in order to live stream, which I really want to do, you have to have 50 subscribers. So can we please hit that subscribe button? And if you liked this video, let me know by liking this video. In other words, click that like button if you liked the video. And hit that subscribe button, please, to try and get us to the live stream, if you want the live stream, because, yeah. Bye, besties.